Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. I'm going to get my week of groceries. It's my first full week with my kids home for the summer, so we have a little bit more for daytime food, and I get it quite easy still this week for dinner, and you'll see why with the meal plan at the end. Let's get into the store. It's my birthday this week, and my birthday cake, I want to make dirt cake, so I'm going to get a package of double filled. Actually, I'm going to get 2 packages of double filled, because that's the kind I like, and it's my birthday. $2.59. Right before I left, my daughter asked me if I could get muffins, so I'm gonna get these blueberry muffins. They're $3.45. I'm going to get these Big Dippers. We're having fajitas later this week for dinner, and chips and salsa almost always accompanies dinners like that. $1.95. $1.29 for white bread, just regular toast. This is my husband's favorite. I don't always get brioche hot dog buns, but they just sound really good to me, and we're having hot dogs tonight. $3.29. Okay, 45 cents a pound bananas. Yep, last week I bought bananas. My son ate 3 of them in a day, so I have a feeling if I buy more, he won't, but we'll see. I'm gonna get these 3 yellow ones, and I'm gonna reach back here for more that are not quite fully yellow and see if I regret it later this week. The cantaloupe was a huge hit last week, so I'm gonna get another one. They're $1.99. We're running low on mandarin oranges, so I'm gonna get a bag. All my kids like these, $3.59. Cucumber for our vegetable tray. I'm actually gonna get 2 of these, 59 cents a piece. We ran out of carrots last week, $1.49 for 2 pounds. Cherry tomatoes, $2.29 for the vegetable tray. I'm gonna make corn and black bean salsa. My vegetarians especially love this, so I need a can of sweet corn for 63 cents. And a can of black beans for 81 cents. Yellow onions, $2.39. Ran out last week. Definitely need these for fajitas. Definitely need peppers for fajitas. Oh, I want one with all the colors. So let's see here. $2.59. Also, my kids are still absolutely crushing green peppers every time I cut them up. So I'm gonna get these on our vegetable tray again, $1.85. Yay, I wasn't sure if Aldi has these. I don't know that I've ever looked for them before, but I'm gonna get a pink lemonade and a regular lemonade. They're $2.69 a piece, but when we have people come to swim at the pool, this is so handy to just make a picture of a drink as kids hang out and swim. This backyard griddle looks nice. This tabletop. Walk-through gates. We use these for our dog. Pretty good price, $30. Still have the balls. A new deck box. $40. Look at all the beautiful summer stuff. A cute sign, $7.99. Different gnomes, garden candles, garlands, glow sticks and necklaces. Maybe I'll get these for 4th of July, $1.99. Father's Day cards. I'll get this for my hubby, 99 cents. Lots of women's clothes and shoes. They're very picked over, life jackets. Every year I see this. My girls bought that one year, thought it was the greatest thing ever. They have sunshade sales, only $15. Really cute sprinklers. Even though my son is probably taller than that, he would love that still, probably. Condiment caddy, that's really nice. I like that. Twirls, holds all your condiments if you take them outside. Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna be out of luck. I really wanted, I thought maybe they had the corn pokers, but I'm not seeing that. Oh, they do. Yay, they're back there. Good thing I have long arms. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got 3 packs of these. They're $3 a piece, but my son loves sweet corn. We eat it a lot, and he really wants us to have these. And I do think they're helpful, especially for small hands. So we're getting these. In the past, I have bought a strawberry huller here. I still use it. It's not this one, but it works very similar. Can't go wrong. They have some really nice hammock chairs, portable hammock with a stand. That is $50. Some grilling tools and more hammock chairs that are also $50. Okay, I am going to get some aluminum foil. I'm almost out, $3.75. Okay, red sticker chicken, it's 30% off and it's off the more expensive kind. Not that it's not a good deal, but I already have a lot of freezer chicken, so I'm gonna leave it. But I got excited as I was walking up. Nothing else is freezer chicken price. I'm getting maple sausage for our breakfast dinner, $1.99. We also have bacon in our freezer I'm making. I'm the only one that'll eat this, so I'll only make a little bit of them and freeze the rest in like breakfast portions for myself, but yummy. I need 2 cans of evaporated milk. I'm making queso. We're going to my in-laws for family dinner later this week, and queso is my responsibility. $1.19 a can. I'm gonna get Easy Mac. I hate buying these. They're expensive, but they're really some of my kids' favorite additions to fruits and veggies on lunch. They can all make them themselves. A nice option to have. $3.45, so they're a little less than $1 a piece. I'm getting 2. Speaking of mac and cheese, I'm getting the white shells and cheese. My son requested this with sweet corn for dinner this week. I'm also making hot dogs. That's actually tonight's dinner, $1.59 each. I'm getting 2 boxes. I'm getting small fajita-sized flour tortillas, $1.99 for fajitas this week. We are almost out of vanilla, so I need this, $4.99. And then also we have avocado oil, but I ran out of extra virgin olive oil, so I'll get this one at $5.65. Okay, I need powdered sugar. I think I have some on hand, but just in case I don't, for my dirt cake, $2.09. Okay, there's lots of chicken down here. I see some ducks that are 30% off, and then they have mac and cheese bites and loaded potato skins. Kind of seem like an odd place for them, but the Grill Master Collection, there's only a few of them left here. $60. Still have the burger patties, the Screaming Sicilian pizzas, the bagel bites, which my kids have been enjoying. Jalapeno popper pizza, I've had that before. I think it was pretty good. I don't really remember it too much, but I don't remember hating it, so I think that's a pretty good sign. Crispy dill pickles, yummy. Sausage and peppers. They still have green cabbage mix. Doesn't look like it's selling well. French bread pizzas. Now this makes me want to make French bread pizzas for dinner. I'll have to do this. And puff pastry. You don't really see that here often. The ice cream, they have the galactic cones and mermaid cones and unicorn cones over there. Those are $3.99 each. I'm getting more whipped topping to make sure I have enough for my dirt cake. $1.79. And I was right, my hubby loves those. And then down here, lots of ice creams. Okay, I'm getting we really love the Southwest Squawk for when we have fajitas, $2.99. This is spicy. I've never seen their pico have spicy before, but I'm not actually seeing a spicy in there. That would have been good. There are no spices, but we're gonna get medium. That sounds good. $3.15. $3.79, getting a pack of lemon water. I need to get deli sliced cheese. And I don't know if I could get it here, but they don't have American either way, so I'm gonna get American and pepper jack later this week at a deli. They only have Swiss and provolone here. Okay, I'm getting these pancakes for $3.59. a thing of waffles for $1.99. Kids are home, they're eating more. For my birthday dinner, I'm thinking I want a bevy of some variety. And I'm not sure. I always gravitate towards this guy. It's inexpensive, it's delicious. It might be the winner still. I was kind of tempted by the espresso martini. That sounded like it'd be good and I could mix it with something. I don't know, I think Old Faithful is gonna win. $3.99. There's some really cute toy things here. Trolls cars, Star Wars, little Ami-Amis. I don't know what those are. Jump ropes, lots of fun, cute things. Tool sets. Okay, well, here's my cart. It doesn't look too full. I'm getting a shipment of food from Imperfect Foods and going to Meijer. Any guess on the total? Okay, my total is $111.63. Now let's see what I get from Meijer. Into Meijer we go. Summer's here. I have my shopping buddy. Strawberries are 4 for $5, so I'm gonna get 8 cartons of these. Okay, I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna get 5 and then we'll come back and get more later in the week because we'll just let them be fresh then. Sweet corn is 59 cents a piece. I'll get 5 of them, 1 for each person in our family, for when we have hot dogs and white mac and cheese. That's his request. Okay, I have a boy that's begging. This is what always ruins budgets, kids. They're on sale 2 for $7, so we're gonna get sweet and tangy barbecue. Maybe we'll just get 2 of those. Okay, so now we're switching. We're putting these back and we're gonna get 1 of these and 1 of these. Kel's changing his mind. Okay, my daughter asked me to get mango. This is the only mango that I see that I think she would like. It doesn't have sugar, and that's $2.49. She wants to make a punch, and the other one that she wants is this pineapple. So we're gonna get the pineapple and the mango, $2.49 a piece. $3.99 for a graduation card. We're going to an open house. Okay, I've actually been wanting this shirt. It's $26 and it's 30% off, plus I have a $10 coupon, so I'm gonna get it. I decided I'm getting the pants too because I love this color. They're wide leg, very flowy. It's 30% off of $32. Okay, we just loaded in our car, and our total for Meijer was $54.24. Now let's see the meal plan for the week. Okay, here's our menu for the week. Tonight we're having hot dogs. I pulled these from the freezer. I get them at Costco, Hebrew National. I'm making sweet corn and the white mac and cheese with that. I also have sauerkraut, and I will grill onions, make them deluxe, delicious hot dogs. Tuesday, I'm making some strawberry pancakes that I got a mix at Trader Joe's. It's a seasonal thing. We'll have whipped cream and sliced strawberries with those. I'm making breakfast potatoes, bacon, the sausage, eggs, lots of breakfast options. Wednesday, we're going to Culver's. This was my oldest daughter's request because she likes the flavor of the day of their custard. And we actually have a gift card that we got for Christmas. So it'll be zero cost and an easy dinner for us. Thursday, we're having fajitas. Again, I'm getting steak in my Imperfect Foods delivery that's still coming later this week. We'll have the salsa, chips, the corn and black bean salsa on the side of that guac. Lots of fixins. Friday, we're going to my in-laws' house. They're hosting a family birthday dinner for me. My mother-in-law is going to make homemade french fries. She makes different meats and toppings. I'm bringing a queso, and it's going to be a fry bar. So basically, kind of like poutine. I don't know if she's going to have gravy, but there's going to be the queso, lots of different toppings, and french fries. Saturday, we are going out of town. It's actually the day before my birthday, but my birthday's on Father's Day, so we're celebrating by going out of town to a zoo that has a lantern festival that I've really wanted to go to. So we're doing that in the evening, and we're going to eat dinner out with my mom while we do that. So it's going to be my family, my mom, enjoy the lantern festival, and dinner. And then Sunday is my birthday, but it's also Father's Day, and my husband wants to get City Barbecue. I'm grateful he didn't pick a homemade meal so that I can get easy on my birthday as well. I'll make my dirt cake for my birthday, and we'll get City Barbecue. And then anyone that doesn't want that can have leftovers of the week. If you want to see how I make dirt cake for my birthday, you can watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.